Namaste. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use not as plus adjective plus as. I hope parents as well as tutors will be able to teach their children the use of this structure without much difficulty using this video. Look, this is a pencil. It is a short pencil. Is this a long pencil? No, it isn't. It is a short one. What's this? This is a pencil too. Is it a short pencil? No, it isn't. It is a long pencil. All right. What about this pencil? Is it long or short? It is a short pencil. And this is a long pencil too. This long pencil is red. This long pencil is black. This short pencil is blue. And this short pencil is black. One pencil is shorter than the other. Which pencil is shorter? The black one is shorter. It is shorter than the blue one. Now we can ask a question. Is the blue pencil as short as the black pencil? No, it isn't. It isn't as short as the black pencil. The black pencil is shorter. Look at these two long pencils. These two long pencils are not the same length. One pencil is longer than the other. Then which pencil is longer? The red one or the black one? Look, the black one is longer. It is longer than the red one. So we can ask a question here. Is the red pencil as long as the black pencil? Is the red pencil as long as the black pencil? No, it isn't. It isn't as long as the black pencil. The black pencil is longer. It is longer than the red pencil. Now, look at these two books. I've got two books in my hand. One book is red in color. The other book is black. Are they the same size? No, they aren't. One book is larger than the other. Which book is larger? The red one or the black one? The red one is larger. It is larger than the black one. Now we can ask a question. Is the black book as large as the red book? Is the black book as large as the red book? No, it isn't as large as the red book. The red book is larger. It is larger than the black book. Now we can think of other examples. Do you think you are strong? Perhaps you think you are strong or you are strong. But can you lift a horse? No, you can't. Because you are not strong enough to lift a horse. A horse is very heavy. Then what about an elephant? Is an elephant a heavy animal? Of course it is. An elephant is heavy. So a horse is heavy, an elephant is heavy too. Then which is heavier? An elephant or a horse? Of course, everyone knows an elephant is heavier. An elephant is heavier than a horse. Then we can ask the question. Is a horse as heavy as an elephant? A horse is heavy, An elephant is heavy too. But is a horse as heavy as an elephant? No, it isn't. It isn't as heavy as an elephant. An elephant is heavier. It is heavier than a horse. Okay. Now you think and try to make similar sentences. You can use not as small as, not as often as, not as much as, not as many as, not as expensive as, not as hot as, not as cold as, etc., etc. Okay, if this is your first video on my channel, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.